Hello everyone, I am Radul Mishra, CTO at VigiSolver Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic in manufacturing business, that is, which is the best ERP for manufacturing in 2025. Today we are going to compare 4 of the most leading ERP systems which are available in 2025. The first one is Odoo, the second one is ERPNext, the third one is SAP Business One, and the fourth one is Oracle NetSuite. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding that which particular ERP is best for your business. Before getting into the topic, we need to clear out why manufacturing business needs an ERP system. In manufacturing, efficiency and control is everything, but a lot of business struggles with this. Why do they struggle with this? Because they don't have tracking of real-time inventories. They don't do production planning very efficiently. They don't have anything to control their quality. They are not able to calculate the cost correctly and they are not able to scale as they grow. This is where ERP systems come into the place and they try to automate all of these departments in a manufacturing business. Now let's move into benefits of ERP in a manufacturing business. An ERP systems helps a manufacturing business by automating process and centralizing the data, providing real-time visibility into production planning, stock and inventory, forecasting demand and supporting material requirement, ensuring compliance and traceability, reducing cost while improving efficiency. In short, an ERP is just not a tool, it's the backbone of modern manufacturing. So let's begin with the first ERP system, which is known as ERPNext. It is an open source ERP which is available in both cloud and self-hosted version. Who is it for? It is for small and medium scale manufacturing businesses who wants to implement an ERP system which is affordable, also very scalable, and it has a very competitive costing. Now, what are the strengths of ERPNext? It is a very strong manufacturing modules which comes up with BOM, work orders and production planning. It has a very easy integration with CRM, HR and accounting modules also. It is very cost effective and also has a community version available. Now, what is the weakness of ERPNext? It is not as scalable as enterprises like SAP and Oracle. Next we have Odoo. Odoo is a modular ERP which has both community and enterprise editions. Who is it for? Growing SMEs who needs modularity as well as scalability, so they can choose Odoo. What are the strengths of Odoo? It has a wide range of modules for every business functions. It is highly customizable and it is very integration friendly. Also, it has a very strong global community. Now, what is the weakness of Odoo? Cost increases as you increase the module. Some advanced features are logged inside Enterprises edition. Now let's look at Oracle NetSuite. This is a cloud native ERP best suited for medium to large manufacturing business. What are the strengths of Oracle NetSuite? It is a complete end-to-end solution of ERP, supply chain and financial. It has very strong compliance and global compatibility. So if you are from any country, you can get a lot of compliances available already inside Oracle NetSuite. It is very secure as it is backed by Oracle. Also, it is enterprise grade cloud platform. Now, what are the weaknesses? The first one is licensing and implementation fees are very high and it can be very complex to integrate Oracle NetSuite without an expert guidance. Next, we have SAP Business One. This ERP is widely trusted and used globally, available in both on-premises and cloud version. Now, who is it for? It is for large SMEs and enterprises who are looking for a robust system, and it is a very well-established ERP. What are the strengths of SAP Business One? The first one is it is trusted SAP brand. It has very powerful manufacturing, supply chain and reporting features, and it has a very large ecosystem of partners and add-ons. Now, what is the weakness of SAP Business One? It is a very high cost of maintenance and implementation. Also, it requires skilled consultants for customization and support. Now, let's do a quick comparison of all the ERPs together. If you are choosing ERPNext, it is very affordable, strong manufacturing but limited scalability. If you are choosing Odoo, it is flexible and customizable but cost increases with modules. If you are choosing NetSuite, it is cloud-based and highly scalable but very expensive. If you are choosing SAP Business One, it is robust and trusted, but costly and complex to implement. Each ERP has its strengths and the right choice depends on your business size, budget and long-term need. Now, which ERP is best for you? So if you are a small manufacturer which has a very limited budget, go for ERPNext. But if you are a growing SME and you need a lot of customization and scalability, then go for Odoo. So if you are a large enterprise who needs a scalability and needs global compliances, then go for Oracle NetSuite. Now at the end, if you want a robust ERP with a very strong ecosystem and you don't mind the costing, then you can choose SAP Business One. To conclude, there is no one size fit all ERP. The right ERP depends on your company size, process and future growth plans. At VigiSolver Private Limited, we help manufacturing business implement ERP system that best fits their requirement. You can reach us at all this given communication details. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share to this channel. And if you have any doubts, you can reach out to me in the given comment section, or you can reach out to me on the all contact details which are being mentioned in the description and at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.